Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a big thrifted shirt into a wrap skirt. That's today on Refashioning with Rachel. First, draw a line right underneath the collar of your shirt. Then remove the sleeves and cut along that line. Now draw a line that goes straight from the side of the armhole down to the bottom of the shirt. If you are a bit more hippie than I am, you will need to make this angle flare out a little bit more. So you may need to go in an inch or two at the top. Cut along those lines and set that aside for now. Moving on to the sleeves. Remove the cuffs and cut the sleeve open along the underarm seam. Draw a line right along where the button placket is, on the side of the sleeve with the most fabric, and cut. This piece will naturally flare a little bit, but again, if you are more hippie than I am, you might want to make this piece flare a little bit more. Do the same thing with the other sleeve. This is a great use of those nice linen or cotton shirts that you find at the thrift store, because this project only takes a little bit of fabric to do. Now working with the front piece of the shirt, cut off the button placket from both sides. Lay out both halves of the front of the shirt and with right sides together, pin each of these pieces to the pieces we cut out of the sleeves. And then pin those sleeve pieces to the back panel of the shirt. And sew. Then serge or zigzag the raw edges and iron it to make the seams lie flat. Now fold everything up twice. And find the longest length from the waist to the bottom of the skirt and copy that measurement from the waist to make an even hem. And cut. And now hem the sides of the skirt and the bottom of the skirt. Do this simply by folding over the raw edge twice, just a little bit, and securing with a stitch. If you are enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel grow. And now we're going to make a waistband. So from all of your scrap fabric, cut out a bunch of 3-inch wide strips. A good place to get this fabric is the leftover pieces from the sleeve, and also the back yoke of the shirt, and also the pieces we cut off from the bottom of the skirt. If you do not have a drafting triangle like I have here, you can just use a big book to get those nice right angles. So once you have a nice big pile of strips, sew them together to make one nice long strip. You want this strip to be at least 2.5 to 3 times the width of your waist. Now iron this strip flat and iron the seams open. Then fold down 1/2 inch from the top of the strip and iron it down. And fold up 1/2 inch from the bottom of the strip and iron that down. Then fold the whole thing in half and iron that down. Find the center of the top of the skirt. And find the center of the waistband. And pin the right side of the waistband to the wrong side of the skirt, starting in the middle and working out to each side. And sew. Make the stitch in the fold of the strip that you ironed earlier. Take each end of the waistband, unfold it and fold it back on itself, and make a stitch 1/2 inch away from the end. Trim off the folded corner and turn it right side out. You can use something pointy to poke out the corner. Tuck in the raw edges and secure it with a pin for now. Now, working on the right side of the skirt, fold over the waistband so that the folded edge goes just past the stitching line you just made, and pin it in place all along the top of the skirt. And now make a stitch all along the waistband, about 1 millimeter away from the fold. If you find that your waistband is getting a little bit twisted, you can gently pull it taut by pulling on both ends of the waistband as it goes under the machine. When you get to the end of the waistband, pivot and go up the side, and then pivot again and stitch all along the top of the waistband. And then once this is all stitched, this project is finished. So here's a reminder of how it looked before. And here's how it looks now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and comment if you did. And have a beautiful day.